If you're new to the gym and you're not sure what to do, here's a great leg day routine that doesn't require wandering around the gym. All you'll need are 2 dumbbells, a small area to work in, and a resistance band. The first exercise are reverse lunges. You'll hold the dumbbells down at your sides and step 1 foot back at a time. Make sure you're stepping far enough back so that you can get your back knee close to the ground. When you step up, focus on driving through your glute so you can really focus on those booty gains. The second exercise are goblet squats. You're going to hold the dumbbell close to your chest, feet about shoulder width apart, and squat down, pushing your butt back like you're going to sit in a chair. Try to focus on keeping your chest nice and tall so that if you had writing on your shirt, someone would be able to read it the entire time. The next exercise are single leg Romanian deadlifts. You're going to focus on finding your balance and pushing your hips back, keeping a soft bend in your knee, but not bending it any further. To help keep your balance and not do what I just did, try to find a small spot on the floor that you can stare at the entire time. Make sure to engage your core. If your balance just is not there, you can do a kickstand, keeping the back toes down on the ground the whole time. Lastly, grab that resistance band, put it up above your knees, and push your butt back, slight bend in your knees, and take steps to the side. But try to keep your steps nice and close together and go both directions. You're going to run through these exercises for 3 rounds total, and your glutes should be burning. Happy leg day!